Hi Bareboat Traders community. I wanted to show you my setup. On our way there, the first thing you see in the hallway is 3 posters to never never quit. It's the difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. Coming into my office, got the cool bull on the wall. Over on the bookshelf, got the Wall Street Bull. Yeah, baby. My books. These are for working on myself. Then, of course, I have my workbooks. You'll notice I have less of those because for me it's more important to work on myself than it is to work on my job. Little perseverance. That happens to be Lincoln. Great story. Have another one over here for Vince Lombardi. What it takes to be number one. And then, of course, we got my setup. So here we got an Apex desk with the controller for it to go up and down. 4 22-inch screens. Very convenient to have all of that real estate. And I have my mechanical keyboard, and I also have a regular keyboard. Mainly because if I'm working, I don't want to hear all the click, click, click. Then I have my Stream Deck, along with my Omen desktop, i7 processor, 16 gigs of RAM, does a great job. I just got it like a month ago. Really enjoying that. Very, very fast computer. So there's my setup, and of course, let's not forget the book. Gotta have Andrew's book. All of them. Same thing with Brian's. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and of course I get to keep an eye on everybody else while I'm day trading as well. Hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day. Thanks, bye.